got some new headers on my truck that I got for Christmas, and finally getting around to making a video about them. They're just some stainless steel eBay headers. They were really shiny, but as you can see, the heat's already got to them. We had to cut this bracket. My dad welded it back up for me. I think it looks a lot better than what it did. They're like I said, stainless shorties that I got off eBay for like $130. They're running to some 2.5 inch, 10 inch long collectors. Alright, let's see if I can get a better picture of it here. There we go. There's the other one over there. Let's see how loud this bitch is. I'm a lot better with it now. Thanks for watching.